Welcome back to the channel. I'm the host, John Shaft, and this is my C7 Corvette channel. You're looking at a parade of Corvettes going down the highway, and they as they attend a Corvette show. I'm not going to say too much. I just want you guys to enjoy the scenery of these beautiful exotic Corvettes as they travel down the highway. Nothing like the ownership or the proud ownership of owning a Corvette. Whether you have a Stingray model, which is the base model, Grand Sport, which is being replaced today by the E-Ray model, or the Z06, or the ZR1, or the new Zorro models coming out. We are expecting the arrival of this summer, late July, of the Z06 2022 model. This is going to be a naturally aspirated. Will not be a supercharger. It's going to be a flat crank, dry shaft engine, 5.5 liter aspirated, putting out about over 600 horsepower. And again, we won't be seeing a turbocharger on these vehicles. But for the next models are coming out. I think it's the ZR1. They're gonna take the turbo, or either they're gonna take the turbo, I think, and put it on the next model, on the ZR1 model. So check out some of these beautiful wides. Nothing like the ownership of a Corvette. I am too a proud owner of my own Corvette. I have a Z06 Stingray base model. And I have the coupe model. I don't have the convertible. I have a 7-speed manual transmission. I look forward to not so near future purchasing myself a possible C8 Z06. Nothing like an ownership of a Corvette. Corvette is not it's more than just a car. It's more than just a brand. It's a family. As you can see, that's all years, makes, and model in this parade. Everything from a convertible to the coupe, or L1 or L2 and L3. And as we enter into the Corvette seasons, let us continue to stay safe and protect ourselves from this virus and pandemic. And this is John Shaft. This is my C7 Corvette channel. This is a wonderful sight to see.